Okay, so I'm gonna bring you a couple of old school boxes that I got off of Baseball Card Exchange. Not baseball cards, they are football. I'm gonna open this one, 1997 SkyBox Impact. But first, I'm gonna show you one that I opened a couple days ago. This was a box that I got. Oh yeah, I already told you that. Off of Baseball Card Exchange. It's a 97 Press Pass. And as you can see, work done's on the cover. And yeah, that's what it looks like. This was like about 23, 22 bucks. Yeah, the shipping. And it was like an autograph every other box.
Right mode? Yeah, okay. Make sure to focus.
Got it. And of course, I didn't get one. But, you know, what are you going to do? I mean, you're going to get an autograph every other box. It's pretty much worth it. Whatever. I got almost a full base set except for one card. I was missing one, so, you know, close enough. The red parallel, which comes one per pack, I got like 34, I think, so I'm, you know, almost there. These weird die cut looking things. Here's a lot of them right here. I'll just fly through them. Keith Poole, Orlando Pace, Troy Davis, ISU, Corey Dillon. Here I'll have Tiki Barber, Tony Gonzalez, probably the most noteworthy. That's his rookie year, obviously, 97. And there you go. I think I got 30 out of 36 of those, so it's almost all of them. A couple inserts. There's a Tony Gonzalez and David LeFleur marquee matchup. These are like 2 per box. And I got a can't miss of Peter Bower and Orlando Pace. And 3 other inserts of a bunch of no-name guys. Here's Ray Caruth, who, if you know anybody about this guy, he killed the dude, so he didn't really make it in the NFL. Yatil Green and Orlando Pace headbutt inserts, and these are 1 per box. Headbutt die cut of Danny Warfel, who, as you know, didn't make it either in the NFL.
I think he works at ESPN.
Does he?
So
There you go.
he's a college football guy.
Alright. So we'll open up this box, SkyBox Impact. This was on the website for what I thought was a great deal. I've seen these on eBay for 30, 35 bucks, and this was only about 25 bucks. I've never seen them that cheap. So I thought I might as well snag it. What people look for in these boxes are called Super Rave cards. They're out of like 150, but they're a little hard to pull.
1 in 288 packs.
Otherwise, the base set I think is pretty cool looking. It's your classic 90s style, like, I don't know what you call it, just, you know, really, I don't know.
Just very 90s.
It's just 90s, that's all I got to say about it. Pat Barnes, rookie, just, yeah, look at it. It's just all kinds of
over-the-top graphics.
All kinds of colors. There's his name up there and his Cal Uni. Here's a Cedric Shaw rookie from my home state of Iowa. Here we got Eric Moulds, Quinn Corient, Andre Coleman, Rod Smith, Kenny Holmes, and Orlando Pace.
Kind of looks like what I would say, like a comic book almost.
Yeah, it's yeah.
Just a gold, 3-dimensional.
This is probably one of those sets that I would. There's a lot of sets that I have, and I'm not gonna, I'm gonna store them in boxes. This is one I would definitely put in a binder. It's just cool looking. Oh my god, I didn't think these would stick that bad. All right, Yancey Thigpen, Rod Woodson, Terrell Owens, Sam Mills, Brett Favre, Kevin Hardy, Derek Alexander, Greg Hill. Huh.
Kareem Abdul-Jabbar autograph cards. On the cover.
I think they thought he was going to be better than he actually turned out to be.
The only Kareem Abdul-Jabbar I know is the basketball player.
Yeah, maybe they got mixed up. Willie Davis, Marvin Harrison, Willie Rofe. Sorry if these are backwards. I'm just gonna fly through what I can because there's 36 packs. Chris Spielman. Here we go. Official Wilson NFL football individually signed by Brett Favre and Reggie White. So I can send this in with shipping and handling and maybe I can win this. Oh no, I can't. That was 97. Vinny Testaverde, Zach Thomas, Danny Warfel rookie. I don't know what that is. Here we go. Peter Boulware, Tremaine Mack, Rashawn Salam, Antonio Freeman, Cordell Stewart, John Randall. Oh, Ashley Ambrose, William Thomas. All right.
It's basically an advertisement.
Oh, is it? Okay.
$300 for a Brett Favre Reggie White football.
I'll pass.
That's a lot for 97 too.
Yeah.
I mean, that'd be I don't know if that'd cost $300 now. I don't really know about Reggie White autographs, although he is dead, so that increases his value a little bit.
William Thomas. All right, we got an insert here. Impact Boss of Steve Young. This is a really neat looking card. It's got a lot of
It's like raised up.
Yeah, raised up. I don't know what you would call that. Sort of a really neat looking card. This would be a really sweet insert set to collect. Anyway, Jim Harbaugh, Derek Thomas, and a rookie, some guy.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Bosses are 1 in 6 packs.
Oh.
And with the Super Boss.
What are those?
1 in 36.
Oh, those are 1 per box. Okay. All right. Yep. Got him. Oh, Scott Mitchell. Okay, that was all base.
You also get an Instant Impact, which is 1 in 24 packs.
I'll be looking forward to that one. Corey Dillon, rookie. Bryant Westbrook, rookie. Dan Wilkinson. Herman Moore. Antonio Langham. Another one of those $300 advertisements. A couple of guys. And Daryl Russell.
Autographics are 1 in 120. About 1 in 4. About boxes.
4. Well, let's hope.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
If I pull a massive autograph in this box, I just shit.
I don't know who would it even be? Like,
I don't know.
rookies or vets? Probably rookies, I think. But
They, their autographics were all types of guys. That's a huge, usually a big set. All right. Who else we got in here? Terry Glenn, Ben Coates, Neil O'Donnell, Isaac Bruce. Oh my God, Deion Sanders, Steve McNair, Kevin Lockett. Put it in his pocket. Okay. Oh, Tony Gonzalez rookie. Cool. Got it. Tom Knight rookie from Iowa. Oh shit. That one stuck really bad. That pisses me off. See that? Yeah. F.
and it's kind of
Well,
part of the deal, kind of with cards that are.
Hell. All these right here are stuck. I'm not even gonna pull them. Okay, I think this one right here is a rave, but it's not coming off well. Okay. This is really pissing me off. Oh, God
It's like
damn
hurting
it.
me. Like
It's purple right there, and I don't know what to do about it. Okay, it actually came off pretty clean. It's a really not even that good of a player. Ashley Ambrose, numbered 82 out of 150. So
it's one that's pretty rare, actually.
So what are you gonna do about it? Damn it! I'd still rather have that card come out clean though. F.
This wasn't. It isn't bad. This one.
Oh god damn it! I thought I was gonna have a good box, and then now half this box is sticking. Well, this is what happens, kids, when you
17 years
get
old.
boxes this old. And we got another boss. It's not too damaged actually, so that one's okay. And these are okay as well, I think. Yep, not really. Ugh.
These cards are only like 8 years younger than us.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of crazy.
Let's hope the other side doesn't do this. Alright. Oh, man. Dave Brown. Oh, he was okay. Oh, god damn. Yeah. It's painful.
It is.
Well, okay. Like Hilliard. It's like all the air went out of me because these are all kind of damaged. Yep. Ugh. Ugh. Ugh.
That Gilbert Brown? He's
Yep.
the one player on the Packers I like just because he was so fat. He had the dark visor always.
Yeah. Oh, you fucker. Joey Galloway. Ray Zeller. I wonder if they sold it cheap because they knew these were that stuck. I don't know.
I don't know how you could tell.
Yeah, I don't know either. You know what?
Unless you opened up some of the other boxes and they were
There's a Chris Carter.
stuck, you know.
You know what? I might just say screw it and put these damaged cards in a binder anyway. I don't know. They're cool anyway, you know. What are you gonna do? No, these aren't bad. Nope. Ugh. Okay. Wow, this is gonna take a while. Get off.
What time are we on the video?
We're on 13 minutes.
Ooh. Well, the card's empty, so it should be fine.
Okay. I apologize. This is really not what I expected.
Back-to-back Vikings.
Yep, John Elway. Kennard Lang. Ugh. I've had people say that, oh, there's like tricks to unstick cards. You put them in your freezer and shit. It doesn't work. You kidding me with that? I don't know. People think there's actually tricks to, you know. Once they're sealed shut together, there's no.
I feel it's
There's no getting them unstuck with any trick.
based on what they were stored in for the last 17 years. Was it humid in the room they were stored in? Was it not? Was it warm or cold? You know, that's what matters the most, I would assume.
Man. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. If I get an autograph out of this box and it just comes out like this, I'm gonna be pissed.
The autograph will be on the back of the card in front of it.
Yeah, and it'll just that'll be a good, real treat. Okay, this is getting pretty ridiculous. Hey, that was a good one. Marshall Falk. Okay, all right. Okay, here's an instant impact. And it came off just great. Too bad it's Jim Drunken Miller. I'll show you what that looks like. Drunken Miller.
Drunken Miller.
Oh, this was so stuck. I don't even know if it's worth keeping. Jerry Rice. William Floyd.
There you go.
All right. Okay. Who else we got in here?
Timbiaka Batuka.
Yeah.
That's a great name.
Oh, here's a cool little insert. Sean Springs accelerators. So yeah, that wasn't stuck to anything. Probably because it was in the middle of the pack and I don't know. Oh.
There's a guy that got drafted last night in the NBA lottery.
Mm-hmm.
Not in the lottery, but just in the draft. His name was like Bogdanovich or something like that. I was like, are you freaking kidding me? Like, that is the worst, like one of the least, Bogdanovich. Like, you know, it was like, whatever, his first name was like 6 or 7 letters. Same first 6 or 7 letters on his last name, and then just with Vich on the end.
Cool.
It's like, are you kidding me? Like,
okay, here's I think this is a something. Super Boss. It's just a boss card that's glossy. Tell you the truth, I like the other ones better. The regular boss cards.
not Wayne Corbett.
Yeah, it is Wayne. Or no, it's Keyshawn, sorry.
Oh. That's not a bad one.
Okay, Jarnell Autry, James Ferrier. These were relatively unstuck, so that's good. Nearing 20 minutes here.
This is a super boss. I would assume this is SB.
Mm-hmm. That is Super Boss. Dwayne Rudd, Viking. Troy Davis, Cyclone. Johnny Morton, Chris Warren, Mike Allstott.
Such a good noise when you peel me apart.
Thank you. I'll peel you apart. Oh! Thanks. Okay. Ray Lewis. Oh. I know. Okay, Curtis Martin, boss card. So it's raised up. Who else we got? See, these aren't that bad at all. The rest of the box is like this.
Yeah. It reads like that. Or it's like,
oh wait, no, it's $200. $300.
yeah.
Henry Ellard. Okay.
You gotta think that was $300 in '97. Like,
Mark
that's a lot of
Chimera.
money.
How much do you think I'd go for now?
I have no idea. We were talking about it. I have no idea.
I would. You probably make more money with Reggie White.
Yeah, because he's dead now. So
Yeah.
that's what I said. It's more valuable now that he's dead. Unfortunately, rest
I'm
in peace.
holding on to that Nolan Ryan, dude.
Rest in peace, Tony Gwynn.
Yeah, you kid.
Michael Booker. Oh. The checklist.
You know, the thing with
Another
Tony Gwynn-
checklist. You're shitting me?
with his thing, you know, he didn't strike out. Obviously, Tyler Flowers had a stretch for the White Sox.
Killed the
where
guy.
He struck out like in a stretch of like 28 at bats. He struck out like 20 times, something like that. It's like, and Tony Gwynn struck out like 20 times in a season. It's like, holy shit! Like,
Ronaldo win.
Change up your routine or
Yeah.
something. Something needs to happen.
Gus Farrat. Check this card out. Gus Farrat. Looks like he's going into like a black hole or something.
Dude, Gus, badass.
And it's like,
the last card looks like it's got a little glimmer on it, unless it's just a reflection.
I don't know. You got a little glimmer on you. Oh.
Why do you keep saying that?
I don't know. I just like to say things.
And he's frustrated.
I am. Well, you know what? I gotta go. I'm trying to go fast, and I'm not really going fast because I gotta do that every time. God.
Emmitt Smith.
You pulled anything?
Yeah, a lot of stuff.
Oh. Inserts.
These are all like not really even damaged at all. I mean, they're you gotta peel them a little bit, but okay, I lied.
It's the second time you talk about how they aren't that bad.
Well, I mean, they're much better than those other ones.
Quadre is now? It's not bad. Or maybe it's just he was before my time. I don't know how bad he was. I don't know.
Checklist, sweet. I'm going with the checklist. Another boss card.
Another Steve.
Steve Young boss card. Second one. Another Jim Drunkenmiller rookie.
Hold on.
Jim Drunkenmiller. He's hot right now.
Yeah.
Okay, Terrence Mathis. What else we got? This is taking me forever. I still got 5 packs left.
Really small print. I think they all look really small.
Ronaldo win.
Well, they got
Tiki Barber.
There's Kareem Abdul-Jabbar on the box. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, the running back that I've frankly never really heard of.
Instant impact of Darrell Russell.
Put that in your insert.
Terry Battle, sorry.
Sorry, Terry, if you're watching this.
I'm sure he'll
I'll
be tuning.
tag Terry Battle.
Okay,
There
thanks.
we go. So if he searches his name on YouTube, this will pop up.
I'm sure he does every night.
If I remember, I probably won't remember.
Eric Rhett, look at that. What is that thing right there?
It's a galaxy.
Okay.
Is there any chance of pulling like an auto or anything?
Yeah, I already told. Yes, there is.
It's like
You
1
weren't
in
here.
4 boxes
I
about.
see. It ain't gonna happen.
Yeah, it is. One of these 4 packs is gonna have an autograph in it.
Rave reviews 1/288.
And he got one of those.
Did you?
Yeah.
Pretty good, man.
At least I believe. I think I did. I think that was one.
Contrast 120.
I mean, it's numbered to 150.
Rave reviews.
Galaxy. Tarek Glenn. Never heard of that guy. 3 packs left. Thanks for staying with me. You have this long.
If you watched the entire video to this point, you win nothing. Sorry you don't get that 20 minutes back.
Dave LaFleur. Jake Plummer. Oh. Okay, he's alright.
The best part of this video is going to be you just...
Oh.
every time you have to peel on.
Did you shit your pants if you pull an auto in the last pack?
Yeah.
What if it's like, I don't know, Emmitt Smith.
I'd blow. Okay. Jerome Bettis.
Way better if you peeled it apart and the autograph stuck to the back.
I said that before.
Earl Johnson.
The autograph's going to be on the back
Guys,
of the card in front of
that'd
it.
be terrible.
They're the best.
Another boss of Dan Marino.
Damn the man.
Okay. Alright, 1 pack left. And this is where my stuck autograph's gonna be. Alright. Drew Bledsoe, Chad Brown, and that's it. Alright, thanks for watching.